Good afternoon. We're doing 1920 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey Hobby Box for TJ. I guess he said do both of them, so. Suze, thank you for asking. She probably is not going to have surgery at this point. Probably is going to go on hospice, unfortunately. Looks like that's what's going to happen. But thank you so much for asking. I'm not sure all the decisions have been made for sure. But that's kind of what it looks like right now. TJ, good luck. Here we go. Eichel Energy. Oh, thank you very much. You're taken, Young Gun. Young Gun Canvas. TJ, any Olofsson any good? Oh, Gretzky, the UD30 number 6. Leo Komarov, Upper Deck game jersey. Connor Clifton, Young Gun. Matthew Tkachuk, Energy. Brock Boeser, Canvas. Philip Myers. Kyle Connor, Generation Next. Boone Jenner, 92 of 100. Oh, man. Nice box, TJ. Jack Hughes. Young Guns. Big Seth, good afternoon. Rene, Pekka Rene Canvas. Patrick Waugh on the UD30. Kevin Stenlund. Kakimi, UD Canvas. Jimmy Schultz, Young Guns. Charlie McAvoy, Next Generation, or Generation Next, I guess. Next box, a clear-cut Young Gun. Okay. Guys, we are doing these on sale. If anybody, other hockey fans, 60 a box, Upper Deck 1 hockey. Plus ship. But we could ship everything no base for $4. You just want the Young Guns and inserts, parallels. Good luck, TJ. Box 2. Man, I just didn't remember that card before. Dominic Kubalik. Jonathan Drouin Canvas. Another Gretzky. Oliver Borkstrand, clear cut or clear. Tworinsky, Young Gun. Roman Josi, Energy. Marc-Andre Fleury, Canvas. Josh Brown, Young Guns. Boser, Generation Next. Nico Strum, Young Guns. Andres Johnson, Canvas. Patrick Waugh. Jack Hughes, man. Back-to-back Hughes boxes for TJ. Why do you keep going? Sleeve the Kunalik. Oh man, I'll sleeve all the young guns before we ship them. That's crazy, man. Those were the two, probably the two best boxes in the case, and those were the last two boxes we had left. I do have another case, but Peterson Generation Next. Congrats, TJ. Anything else, man?